Hi, today I'm making a weekend recipe, a vegetable beef soup. This soup is super easy. It's delicious. It's one of those weekend recipes you put on and you just let cook. So I'm going to start with 2 pounds of chuck roast. Now, I actually take a roast and cut it in cubes because I like large cubes. But you can buy these already cubed in the grocery store. And I'm going to take one medium-sized onion and cube that and season the beef to taste. So whatever you like to season it with, that's what you're going to use. And we're going to saute that in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until the beef cubes are just brown. They may not be cooked all the way through, but we're going to add a 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes to this beef and onion mixture. And I'm just going to add 3 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Okay, and I'm going to also add about 6 cups of water and just let that cook low and slow. After the broth has cooked down for about an hour and a half, you want to add 1 cup of celery and 1 cup of carrots. I've used the baby carrots for this, and you're going to just stir that into the broth and continue to let that cook for another 30 minutes or so. I At that point, I'm also adding my fresh herbs. So I'm adding thyme, and I actually have some garlic chives that I'm adding just to have some fresh herbs in this particular soup. When the soup has cooked about an hour and a half to an hour and 45 minutes, I'm going to add 2 pounds of frozen vegetables. And this is where your green beans, corn, additional carrots, and peas are going to be added to the vegetable soup. This is going to cook about 45 more minutes. I turn it down low from that point on and just let the vegetables cook in the beef and tomato broth. When it's done, it looks like this. The beef is very tender. The vegetables are all done. You can always add potatoes or noodles to this recipe if you like, but I wanted this for a vegetable beef soup, and it's perfect for these cooler October days.